Winter brings out the toughest elements in our climate, causing many people to put away their camera bags until early spring. But if you do put your camera away, you're missing out on the raw beauty that this magical season brings. Some of us, regardless of how harsh the weather gets, will brave the tough elements in search of that crisp winter light. Here are a few tips to make your trip more enjoyable. First, wear the right clothes. It's very important to wrap up warm when out shooting winter images. The winter season brings the toughest elements, so if you are planning to spend a few days out and about, always be well prepared. Second, watch the weather. It is very important to know what the weather is going to be like. You don't want to travel for a couple of hours and then hear a weather report that tells you the weather will be wet for the next few days. During the winter months, the weather can change dramatically in a matter of hours. Third, carry only what you need. Carry only the essentials. You don't need to upload your camera bag with every piece of equipment you own. If you are going to be out taking pictures all day, you are much better off going as light as possible. Carrying a light load will also help you preserve energy. You could be climbing icy rocks or crossing snow-filled hills. A warm flask would serve you a lot better than a third camera. Fourth, look for detail. Snow, ice, and frost bring out texture and atmosphere in most subjects. The early frosty morning is an ideal time for close-up photography. You could be climbing icy rocks or crossing snow-filled hills. A warm flask would serve you a lot better than a third camera. Fourth, look for detail. Snow, ice, and frost bring out texture and atmosphere in most subjects. The early frosty morning is an ideal time for close-up photography. The frosty morning also brings out patterns in our landscapes. Take care of where you place your camera. If you are taking pictures early in the morning, try placing it at oblique angles to the sun. This will give your images strong shadows and add mood. Once you have found the perfect spot, pay extra attention to foreground interest, as this will add depth to your image. Finally, fifth, expose carefully. Snow and ice are extremely difficult to expose properly. Snow usually confuses your camera's metering system or your handheld light meter. When you take a light reading from snow, you will automatically get an underexposed image. The meter will record the snow as gray. Now is the time to start bracketing your shots. If you bracket your shots, add 1 to 2 stops of light to compensate for your light meter reading. Using an 18% gray card should also give you a perfect light reading. Winter is a fantastic time for photography. Planning well in advance will help make your trip more enjoyable and successful.